Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. I hope you are doing well. In this video, friends, let's learn about comparable interface in Java. First of all, let's cover some introduction part about comparable interface. So let's proceed. In simple terms, the comparable interface in Java helps us figure out how to compare and arrange objects in a class. It allows objects from the same class to be put in order based on their built-in qualities. Okay. When a class uses the comparable interface, it needs to create a plan for how to compare these objects by making a special method called compare_to. This method tells Java how to decide which object is bigger or smaller. Okay friends, so here I already do have one class with name comparable demo. So let's see comparable interface in practical. Now friends, here we have to create a class with name city, which implements the comparable interface of generic type city. Okay, so let's proceed. Class city implements comparable interface city of type generic. Okay, so what we have done here friends, we have created a class name city which implements the comparable interface with the generic type city, which means that city objects can be compared to other city objects. Okay, so friends, let's define private variables of data type string and integer in this class city. String private int population. Okay, so here I have defined one string with variable name and one integer data type with variable name population. Okay, now let's generate a constructor using fields. So let's right click, select source and click on generate constructor using fields. Okay, click on generate. So friends, now friends, let's override the unimplemented method compare_to. Right click on override implement methods. Okay, click on OK. So friends, now let's pass the parameters here other city. Okay, and let's complete our return statement what we want in return. We want to return in integer dot compare this dot population comma other city dot population. Okay, Friends, let's generate toString method. So right click, source, generate toString, generate. Okay. Return what we do want in return name, population, okay. So friends, now let's go into main class and create one array list of name cities, and let's add the cities in that list. Okay. So let's proceed. New array list. List from generic type city. Name of the list is cities. Let's import the list interface and array list class. Okay. And now let's add the cities in soft cities list. Cities dot add new city. Type the name of city as New York, comma, population is 8398748. Okay, semicolon. Now copy. I am going to add two more city names, so copy this line and paste two times and just change the city name and population name. Okay. Los Angeles, Chicago, Chicago. Okay. Now just change the population here. 270,599,4. Okay, friends. See our code. Here again we have to change the population. Population is 3990456. Okay. Let's save the code from. We do have error here one. Friends, we are facing here one error that the type city is already defined. So I am going to change this name as city1. Okay, city1. Make it as city2. So friends, I have replaced name, class name city with city A. Okay, uh, our error might be because of I already there may be a class name with city already exist in my package. So we had we were face that error. Okay, so I have resolved that error, and also added some comments for better understanding here. Okay, so friends, now let's continue our code. Now let's call the sort method on variable our list name cities from collections class. So collections dot sort, type the list name here, pass the list name here as cities. Okay, save our code. Now let's write code to get the output line as cities sorted by population. Okay, cities sorted by population, and let's create one enhanced for loop here for city A variable name, list name is cities, which prints city A, our variable name. Okay, so friends, we are done with our code. We have completed our code. So friends, let's run our code to get the output as sorted cities sorted by population. Now our output will be cities sorted by population. So friends, now you can see that our output we get the output cities sorted by population as Chicago, Los Angeles, New York, and these are the population of cities. Okay friends, so this is all about comparable interface in Java. uh, Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.